So at some point, if you need to return your Nest because something went wrong and they gave you a replacement, thermostat, date and time are incorrect. Fine. You're going to have to go ahead and go into the settings here, I think, to reset it. Eco safety, fan, Nest, sense, reminders, display, but whatever. We're going to reset it. It says restart, no. Away network, all settings. Here we go. All settings, reset, and reset. And goodbye. And once all of this craziness is complete, we can pack it into the box and send it back to Google, where they will probably fix it, refurbish it, and send it out to the next people who need it. And I like that they really stand by their product.
Likey.